Is Jetpack AI worth it or not? I just purchased the yearly plan to let you know if it's worth it or not. So I've tested it out and we're going to go through the features and let you know what I like and dislike about it. Now they have this current deal right now for the Black Friday sale, which I got this for the whole year for 35 bucks, which I think is pretty affordable. So you can grab it right now for that price. Now this is my WordPress website and it has the Jetpack AI assistant installed. They have a more complete plan that includes other features, but in this case, I wanted to focus on the AI features. Now we can get started with pages and posts to start using the AI features, and I think they are pretty decent for what you're going to get. So let's jump into posts. Let's add a new post. And before I show you how to use this, let me show the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. They are currently running the Black Friday sale, which is the lowest price you're going to get in the year. So if you plan or need a hosting plan, grab it right now. The current prices are these, and this is per month. Plus, I have an additional coupon code that I want to show you so you can grab a lower price. So they have a business plan that includes 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes. They include a free domain, plus you get AI features inside of this too, which is pretty cool. Now, if I choose this plan, I'm going to show you how to apply the coupon code. Now, the first thing you need to do here is select 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. So that's really important. Now, this is the current price for the 4 years paid off. But if you click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop to $118 with 80 cents. That's for 4 years paid off, which is a really great plan. So definitely check it out and use the link in the description. Now, let's go back into my WordPress website. I'm going to use the default editor, which is Gutenberg. I'm going to give it a simple title, and then we're going to kick off the AI. So let me type in something. Okay, so that's my basic title, and we're going to kick off from here, /AI, and it's going to kick off the AI assistant from Jetpack. Now I can type in here what I want it to do, or I can use Write with AI. And the first one I like to do is summary based on the title. Since I already have a title, it knows what I want to write about. So I like kicking it off this way. That is if you are not going to manually write, okay? Now that's just like one of the basic features here. You can ask it to do more things. Let me go ahead and accept this section. I'm gonna go ahead and add a new block here. So let's hit enter. And in this block, I'm gonna kick off the AI assistant. And now I wanted to build a table comparing the coffee around the world. So let me go ahead and tell it. Here we go, let's go ahead and generate this. And it's gonna build a table for me. And it's kicking it off right here. I think one of the key features that is gonna make this really stand out is giving it really good prompts. In this case, I'm being really basic, but I want to give you an idea of how this works. If you like the generation, go ahead and keep it. If not, go ahead and regenerate it. In this case, I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and jump into a new block, and let's go ahead and add an image now. So let's hit enter. Let's add a block. Let's go select image. And when I select an image, I can generate one with AI. Again, that's included in this plan, which I think is pretty cool. So coffee in hands. Again, being super basic, super general, and it's gonna create an image for me. Here we go. So I would have preferred coffee beans instead of a coffee cup, but right now I'm just gonna keep that right now. Again, that's based on the prompt that you are using. Let's add a new block here. And now I'm gonna add a form right here. So I'm gonna select form, and I'm gonna use the form, and we have the traditional form options from Jetpack, but then we have the AI feature here if I type on it. So I'm gonna tell it to build a survey asking what is the best coffee in the world. Let's go ahead and generate this, and it's gonna build the form for me. Here we go. So we have the selection here. So Colombian, Ethiopian, Brazilian, Vietnamese, Indonesian. Hey, no Mexican. Then the name and the email, and back, next, and submit. That was generated with AI. Pretty basic if you ask me, but it has those features here, okay? Now, you saw I can write content, tables, images, forms, and that's like the overall main features of this. There's more. What do I think about this to get started? Now, this is all right now done manually. So if you're looking for an automated way of writing blog posts, like more automated, then this is not for you. But if you do manual blogs, then this is a great option. Now, what else can we do here? Well, if I select this phrase right here, I can click on the AI assistant and I can do more things with this. For example, I can ask AI based on what I've selected, correct spelling, grammar, simplify, change the tone. Maybe I want this to be humorous. Well, it's gonna rewrite it for me. And here we go, it should be humorous. And I can keep on talking to the AI and making changes. Now, that's for this section. There's another section here. I'm gonna click on the Jetpack icon, and there's a writing assistant here. I can make it show the issues here. So I can tick this on: spelling mistakes, complex words, long sentences, and unconfident words. So if I just click on this section, I can go ahead and suggest, and it's gonna rewrite this with something better. So here we go. I'm gonna click on it and it's going to replace it. However, it's marked as complex. I don't think it's complex, but maybe it is for some people. But it gives you like a little longer sentence of the same word, but it makes it easier for someone to understand. So it's up to you. And this is marked as misspelling, but it's not. So I'm going to ignore or add it to the dictionary. But it's a great option here. Again, if you are manually writing your blog post, it's a fantastic option. Then I have the option to generate title options. So based on the title that I've written, it's gonna give me better options for the title, so more optimized. So you got 3 options right here. I can generate again by adding some keywords here. I'm gonna replace it with this one, which is good. Get a featured image. I can generate it with AI and insert it straight from here, which saves me a lot of time. I can use the image that was already generated, or I can generate a new one. And I have these options available to select the type of image. Then I have the generate feedback. So I'm gonna get with the AI assistant some feedback of things that are missing in this blog, which I think is pretty cool. For example, add personal touch, enhance the visuals, increase interactivity, provide brewing tips, add links, etc. These are all provided with the AI assistant from Jetpack AI. That's like the main overall features of Jetpack AI. Now, if you ask me, is it worth the 35 bucks or a bit more if it's not on Black Friday? I would definitely say yes if you are manually writing your blog post. If not, then it's definitely not worth it. Just go ahead and use ChatGPT over there, manually write the prompts, get the results, and paste it over there, which could be cheaper if you're using the free version from ChatGPT, or if you're already paying for the ChatGPT Plus, then take advantage of it. But I really like that this is already embedded inside of here. It's gonna generate the image, give me results. So I think it's a great idea in this case. So it's not for everyone, but I think it's really affordable for what you're going to get. So 35 bucks a year for the first year. Later, it's gonna be more expensive. Maybe skip the second year if you're not using it too much, but first year is definitely worth it. And don't forget that if you plan to grab a hosting plan, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is SaaS Master here on Hostinger. And that's a wrap for Jetpack AI.